Alright, so the first painting I'm going to do today is a color combination request of a student. She wanted to give a painting to her grandmother that has various blues in it, but also some gray and a little bit of white. So this is what I came up with that we're going to try. I've never really combined blues with grays before. I usually go with warm tones with my grays, but we have, let's see, this is teal and a tint of teal. This is a tint of my Phthalo Blue. That's a tint of the Ultramarine Blue. White, carbon black, titanium white, carbon black, and then this is a mixture of the two. I'm going to coat my canvas with the last of my solid ultramarine blue, so I will set these aside over here. Now, I see a bald spot, but I'm not going to worry about it because I'm probably going to pour paint right on top of it. Now, I guess I'm just going to do a flip cup. So, I'm going to go ahead and just pour some paint in here. So I did my gray first because I sort of want it to look like it's a part of the background, coming up out of the background, so I want that color to be in there. And then we'll do the two teals. I'm pouring it along the side of my cup so that it doesn't mix in too much. I'm doing my Phthalo Blue and I'm going to do the Ultramarine, which is a warmer, it's more towards the purpley side, I guess you could say. And then some white. And I might come over here to this side and do a tad of black just to fill it up. Woo! There's a lot going on in this cup. Ready? Here's this cup. Let's just see it up close. Isn't that pretty? Got some cells going on already. Flip, and I'm going to do it up here and tilt it along. Whew! Lost the majority of the paint off the side. That was not good. Just let it travel around and float. Got some cool starry effects. I'm just lifting my prop boards. I'm going to go ahead and let the rest come out. I love what the black did. I'm glad I put that in. I hate that I lost a lot on that corner. Didn't realize it was going to flow out like that. I'm losing a lot of the gray, but that's okay because the gray is gray and gray is boring. I want more of these other colors to show up. So I'm going to stretch them out. This was a lovely surprise. I dig everything that's going on in this painting. I didn't know that I would like blue with gray and black and white, and I like it a lot. So thanks for the color request, student. You know who you are. Woohoo! Alright, here is the dried shot, and I've got it in a really nice float frame. I love it. It turned out so well. I'll give you some close-ups. Sorry for the shaky camera. I just love the combination of the black and the blue and the white right there. It's really three-dimensional. I'm very happy with the way this turned out. I hope you are too. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.